Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. Welcome to another Fun Day Sunday watch face review. And we got my man Shaz in the building once again with another super awesome creation. I love this one and I think you will too. Now, the name of this watch face is called Next MultiColor. My man got down on this one. This one is definitely different from what he has brought in the past. Now, in AOD mode, I love this look because it's in a black and white theme, which really shows off the watch face in that mode. But once it's on, here's what you're going to be greeted with. First of all, you got to take a look at what's going on around the bezel of the watch. That's going to be your animated seconds. But look down at the bottom. You also get a nice floating hand as well, right? Definitely different, definitely different. And Shaz never ceases to amaze. Now, up at the top, you are going to get your date and the AM stamp. You're going to also get your battery info, you're going to get the month, you're going to also get the day of the week as well. In the center, you're going to get a nice big bold legible digital time. Down at the bottom to your left, you are going to get your heart rate information. You are going to come over and get your step information, calories burned, and floors climbed. And also within that, you're also going to get your status as well for your heart rate and for your steps as well. But I haven't been anywhere, so it's not going to show. All right, now the watch face is customizable, and if you tap in certain areas, you can extract the information you're looking for. So if I want to set a favorite, I can. If I want to tap here, I can go into my calendar, just tap all over, and it'll bring you up the information that you're looking for out of this watch face, which I thought was pretty cool. Going to get your heart rate information here, and also if I double tap right here, I can customize the color theme of the watch face, which I thought was awesome. My man definitely always outdoes himself with these watch faces. Now, if I want to customize the color of what's going on with the seconds around the bezel, I can just tap right here on the side and I can customize that too. Now, this is a good look for this color. Not bad at all. My man really outdid himself, you all. But again, at the end of the day, it's all up to you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this super awesome watch face by Shaz. Alright, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.